Intro. I'm about to show you 5 insane ways to make $500 a day from home in 2025. And to prove this isn't just clickbait, for every method I'll break down the math, the tools, and your first 3 steps. Most people think it's impossible, a scam, or that you need a ton of money to start. They are wrong. I've researched, tested, and talked to people actually doing this, all boiled into one no-fluff video. We're talking high-demand skills companies want right now. One method is literally talking to AI, and people pay thousands for it. Another lets you build apps with zero code. The tech and the opportunities are here. The only thing missing is you taking action. Stay to the end. Has the highest earning potential. One idea could be your $150,000 a year. Chapter 1. Freelance AI Prompt Engineering. It's simpler than it sounds. You give expert instructions so AI performs at a high level. Better instructions equal better performance. In 2025, every team uses AI for marketing, sales, customer service. Everything. Problem. Most employees are terrible at prompting. They waste time and get generic results. That's where you come in. The specialist who unlocks AI's true power. How do you hit $500 a day? Structure your offers. Option 1. Hourly projects at $50 to $200 an hour. 3 to 4 hours hits your goal. Option 2. Packaged prompts. Sell a $100 prompt pack. 5 sales equals $500. Option 3. Subscription retainers. 1 to 2 $1,000 a month clients can cover daily targets. Step 1. Master multiple models. Learn quirks, strengths, weaknesses. Step 2. Create case studies with prompts and outputs. Step 3. Get visible on LinkedIn and freelance sites. Specialize in niches to command premium rates. Hustle 2. High-ticket dropshipping. E-commerce without packing boxes or garage inventory. Sell expensive products. Think electric bikes, luxury furniture, high-end gym equipment. A $2,000 sale, $1,500 cost. You pocket $500 with one sale. One sale can hit your daily target. Success hinges on vetted domestic suppliers, reliability, communication, fast shipping. Your site must scream legitimacy, high-quality images, detailed descriptions, reviews, clear returns. Win with compelling video ads on Meta and TikTok that sell the transformation, not just the product. Convert with retargeting and email sequences. Follow up until a maybe becomes a yes. Start small, 20 to 50 a day to gather data on ads, audiences, and drop-offs. Be specific, ergonomic home office, or pro-grade espresso machines. Big fish, small pond, aim for 20 to 30% margins. After ad costs, you can still clear $400 per sale. Dial in suppliers, trust, ads, and retargeting. 1 to 3 sales a day is the entire game. Chapter 3. No-code app development for creative problem solvers. With modern builders, you can assemble full apps by dragging blocks, like software Legos. Businesses need custom tools but can't pay developer teams. You build solutions for a fraction of the cost. Path 1. One-time builds. Simple dashboards can be $5,000 to $10,000. 1 or 2 projects a month and you're well past $500 a day on average. Path 2. Micro SaaS. 1 app, 1 niche, monthly subscription stacking. Do the work up front, revenue compounds as users grow. Step 1. Validate in niche communities before building. Step 2. Ship an MVP fast. Step 3. Get first users. Your first version will be ugly and buggy. That's okay. Launch, learn, iterate. Avoid feature creep. Minimal features, maximum feedback. Pick one platform to go deep on and binge-free tutorials. This skill pays huge dividends. Master the tool, and you'll build incredibly fast. That barrier keeps competition out. Chapter 4. Content repurposing and short-form editing. Creators don't have time to clip their long content. You become their content multiplication machine. Edit 30 to 60-second clips with animated captions, relevant B-roll, and subtle sound effects. At $50 per clip, 10 clips a day equals $500. But retainers are king. Starter, growth, or dominator packages with monthly deliverables. 2 clients at $3,000 a month is $6,000 monthly. Best clients: podcasters, business coaches, financial creators. educational YouTubers. Process: intake the long video, timestamp hooks, edit fast, caption and thumbnail, deliver in a shared folder. Start with accessible tools. Text-based editing makes finding clips 10 times faster. Don't wait. Pitch with value. Create one perfect sample from their latest episode and send it. Provide value first. The close rate skyrockets. You're showing, not telling. Results say it all. Chapter 5. Remote high-ticket sales, closer, or affiliate partnerships. You close deals for premium programs and services. A $10,000 offer pays $1,000 to $2,000 per sale. Close one deal every 2 to 4 days to average 500 daily. You speak with warm, pre-qualified leads from ads or webinars. This isn't pushy sales. It's empathy, listening, and problem solving. Master a script as a framework and learn objection handling. Study sales psychology with books, channels, and courses. Find roles in specialized networks and communities, not generic job boards. Start as an appointment setter to learn the ropes. Earnings fluctuate with lead flow and conversion. High upside, not a steady paycheck. Talk to warm leads, close high value, and commissions can easily exceed $500 a day. And there you have it. 5 legitimate, high-income hustles to earn $500 a day from home in 2025. Prompt engineering, high-ticket dropshipping, no-code apps, content repurposing, and remote high-ticket closing. Don't click away. Be the 1% that takes action. Pick the one hustle that excited you most, and take one tiny step today. Play with an AI for an hour. Research one high-ticket niche. Watch a beginner no-code tutorial. The secret isn't a giant leap. It's one small step taken today. I've given you the map. Now move. Subscribe for deep dives on each hustle and comment which one you're starting. Your future self will thank you.